Hey, welcome back. It's Clint Baker from Hillbilly Hippie Honeybees. So today what we're going to do is just give you a quick update on the colony that we did the cutout on under the trailer, and we killed the queen, and then we reintroduced a small swarm with a tiger stripe queen. We're also going to talk a little bit about what is going on in our area, what's the flow look like, and that's about it. Just a quick look. We're going to be running around feeding our bees today. And so that's all we want to do, is just show you that and show you what's going on. So thank you for coming. We ask you to like and subscribe to our channel and help follow along.
Yeah, I think the sun comes up there a little bit more. Not sure. In the summertime. One thing about it, it'll keep them
From doing, yeah. I know what.
A lot in the wintertime.
I know what the issue was with that enclosure. See how we couldn't get it up underneath there? That reducer.
Oh yeah.
That was it.
That's right. Okay.
That's as bone dry.
Sure is.
They're hungry.
You know, hungry?
They're mad.
Yeah.
Yep, because I'm getting stung.
All right, girl.
Don't sting us too much.
Well, I'd say they're in good shape then.
Yeah.
So we want to get in them.
I don't know. They seem to be working pretty good. So.
Yeah. Maybe we just need to feed these. And
So if y'all will remember, this is the cutout colony that we killed the queen in and then requeened with the tiger stripe queen that was in that little cluster that just showed up one day. And they seem to be doing very well by the amount of bees that just came out of there. And they're very protective. So we were going to look at them, but being a very cool morning, we're going to just feed them and leave them alone. So we're going to throw in, oh, stop and shake it up a little bit. There's got settlement on the bottom. We're just feeding them 2 to 1 with a little honeybee healthy in them, and just keeping them as fed as we can, because as you can tell around here, we are done, it looks like, for the season. No, all the goldenrod has died off. I don't see any aster around here. Do you see anything? I don't see anything blooming.
there's really nothing going on right now. Yeah, everything's pretty much done. The only feed I think they're going to get is what we give them.
Yeah, so we're just trying to fatten up this box for the winter to help them through. We'll just keep throwing as much food on them as we possibly can until they won't take any more until winter, and then get them ready to get through the winter. And I think we're gonna start moving here within the next few weekends. A few more hives out here from a couple of the yards we have there in the city. That way we'll get prepared to do some splits in the spring and hopefully get about 10 to 20 hives or so out here, because this place will support it. And so that's what we are doing right now. So they seem to be doing well. Again, we're not going to get into them. There's no need to. As much as we saw going on this morning, plus it is cold. Here, let me get her there and pop that out of there for you. Again, that's just 2 to 1 sugar water with a little bit of Honeybee healthy.
Or honey, what is that? be healthy or whatever it is.
Yeah.
To be healthy. But yeah, I think they'll take this down and.
Is it heavy?
Not too bad. I mean, it's not like a box of rocks yet, but it's pretty good for what we've got. So, I mean, I'd say that's probably a 45, 50 pound box. We need to probably get another 20 on them anyway, and this will help.
Yeah, we'll just keep filling that up till they won't take any more.
So.
All right, well, off to the next yard.
Yep.